Ascenders! And in this video, I'm going to be applying builder gel over my natural nails. I've never used this before, but I know that people use it to build the apex of their nail up so that their nails are stronger. Also, they use it to create tips on their nails, but I am very interested in just applying it over my natural nails. I'll turn my nails sideways so you can see the apex of my nails. Hey, not bad. They don't really have any dents in them. The builder gel I will be using in this video is the Modelones builder gel. It is available on Amazon and it's pretty affordable. I've heard that builder gel is thick, but not too thick. Basically, you're going to be able to apply it kind of like base coat, but also be able to build an apex with it. I don't know. We're just going to have to try it. But before I apply it to my natural nails, I'm going to have to prep them, get them ready for this whole thing. And the first thing I'm going to do is take my glass nail file and file my nails a bit. My shape is kind of getting a little out of whack on the sides, just a little. I'm going for a long almond. When I start filing my nails, I start at the smile line, but I start at the lowest part of the smile line because on both sides of your nails, sometimes your smile line can be a little higher, and that's too high for me to file on the side of my nail, so I start on the lower one. It's kind of hard for me to explain, but good thing I have footage of what I'm doing right now. I have filed my nails, now I'm going to use some cuticle remover to remove my cuticles or dead skin, however you want to call it. I know that it's kind of controversial on what you call what, but the technique is basically the same, unless you're getting into like cutting things like with a cuticle nipper. Then you're going to want to make sure you study the names of everything because you do not want to cut off anything that's like alive. I only use a cuticle nipper to cut off any hangnails I have, but basically I don't use them and I don't cut my cuticles. I just push them back with some cuticle remover. I started off by using a wooden cuticle pusher, which is gentle on your nails. I suggest if you're going to use a cuticle pusher, you might want to use that one. Then I switched to my metal cuticle pusher. You got to be careful with these though because they can be kind of harsh. After I removed all of that gunk off my nails, the Modelones base coat does come with instructions on how to apply it over natural nails, so that's what I'm going to be following. They say in the directions to apply a gel base coat to your nails first. That's what we're going off of, so why don't we do it? So I'm going to go ahead and apply a thin layer of gel base coat to all of my nails. I'll turn my nails over because this will help with the apex too, and it will even out the gel before I cure that gel base coat in the lamp. For me, this is very exciting to try out because I think it's fun that you can kind of like build up your apex of your nail to make it stronger. After I cured that in the lamp, it is time for the builder gel. Alright, so they say to take a small amount and apply it to your natural nail, just like base coat. Then of course, you don't cure it and you take some more of the builder gel and put a little bead. I guess you just kind of move the product back and forth down the nail because it kind of evens it out, I guess. But I don't think I grabbed enough, so I put another little bead on the center of the nail. Then I turned my nail over, help with the apex and to even out the gel. Then I cured it in the lamp. Make sure you do not get this product on your skin or any gel product for that matter. And if you do get it on your skin, just wipe it off with some rubbing alcohol. You don't want to get it on your skin because you don't want any gel allergy. And also it will burn your skin when you cure it in the lamp. So you do not want to get it on your skin. Just the nail, not the skin. Alright, so here's the apex of my thumb and it does feel stronger. I wonder if I could have applied more and built up the apex more. I just didn't want to apply way too much to the thumb because I don't know if this is the same with builder gel, but when I apply too much gel, it tends not to really cure right. I usually have to do it a little bit more in batches and thin layers. So I don't know if you can just put a bunch of builder gel on your thumb and build a really thick apex. Not sure. But let me apply it to my other nails. Applying the gel base coat first, of course. Grabbing the builder gel again, for my index finger, I wanted to apply just maybe a little more. I went back and forth going towards the bottom half of my nail. Then I grabbed my little paintbrush and fixed the sides of my nails because it's kind of hard to get the brush right there. So I just did little down strokes with the little mini brush. I forgot to do this with my thumb, and I think it helped to even out the sides of my nail. To even out the gel, I turned my nail over and then I cured it in the lamp. Then I proceeded to do my other nails, and I gotta say, this was a pretty easy process. The biggest thing with gel that you want to remember is that you definitely want to make sure you don't get it on your skin and just clean it off. Make sure you cure it in the lamp. It sounds a little more intricate than it actually is, but practice makes progress. If you want to get into doing more gel nails in the future, all you have to do is just keep practicing and keep going and try new things. I've cured my nails in the lamp and I am done applying my builder gel, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the sticky layer. Actually, I don't even know if it had a sticky layer. I just rubbed my nails immediately with some rubbing alcohol on a no lint pad right away after I took them out of the lamp, so I didn't even touch my nail. I don't even know if it was sticky. But if it was, I removed that. And here is my apex. I gotta say my nails feel a lot stronger after I applied it. Probably could have added a little more and built up the apex more, but I didn't want to do too much. I wanted it just to be kind of natural and a little more thin. But wait, don't go nowhere, we're not done. If I'm going to be wearing this as a base for my manicures, of course we know that gel polish is going to stick to it. It's builder gel, it's gel. But what if I just want to wear normal air dry nail polish? So I'm gonna just apply some purple nail polish to my nails and see how long my nails last. I'm going to be painting the underside of my nails too, so when I turn my nails over, they'll be purple. I don't always do this. Sometimes I cap the free edge of my nails, and that's kind of underneath, but sometimes I just like to paint the hole underneath of my nail, so then it's like purple when you flip it over. After I've painted my nails, I'm going to let them dry for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to go back in with one more coat. And after my nail polish is not tacky, pretty much dry to the touch, I'm going to apply some quick dry top coat. Usually I let my top coat dry for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'm going to apply another layer of top coat. I like to apply 2 coats of top coat when I do my nails, just for a little protection. And here's what my nails look like. They look very pretty and they feel stronger. That's probably because of the builder gel, but how long will they last? So okay, editing Vanna, fast forward a week please. Alright ascenders, here's my nails after 1 week. You can ignore the cracks in the nail polish. That's just the polish, it's not the builder gel. When I wear nail polish, it only lasts on me about a week. Sometimes that depends on the top coat you use because fast drying top coats apparently don't last as long as shiny top coats, but we're not getting into that right now. So that's pretty normal because I had a lot to do this week and my nails kind of took a beating, especially the polish. And also I hit my thumb too and I cracked the builder gel, so I kind of damaged it. So that sucks. But let me just remove the nail polish so we can look at the builder gel. I'm going to be using a low acetone nail polish remover to remove my nail polish because if I use 100% acetone, then that's going to remove the builder gel too, and we don't want that. I just want to remove the nail polish. So let me grab my nail soakies and my cotton balls, and I'm going to break a cotton ball up. Usually I can get 4 to 5 pieces with one cotton ball, and I'm going to soak my nails for about 10 minutes. And I kind of underestimated this nail polish remover. I guess it has a little more acetone in it than I thought, because if I would have kept it on there any longer than I did, it was going to start removing that builder gel. It's really hot when I filmed this, so that low acetone nail polish remover, I mean, it was really working in the heat. But here is what the builder gel looks like after I've removed the nail polish. It still looks good, except for my thumb, so let me quick fix that. I just applied a little more gel base coat to that area. I cured that in the lamp. Then I applied a little more builder gel to that area, kind of evened it out, and then I cured that in the lamp. So I fixed it, and you couldn't even tell that anything happened in the fact that I hit it. With that fully patched, I think my builder gel looks good, and I can just wear a different nail polish color, because my nails didn't chip. I did hit that one, but that was kind of an accident. Nail polish doesn't really last on me more than 1 week, so actually I am very happy with the results, because my nails were overall more strong because of the builder gel, and I can wear some nail polish, or I can apply some gel polish to it. I really like using it for a base, and I am going to continue to use it so I can get better at applying it and figure out just how I would like to wear it. I'll leave everything that I use linked down in the description box down below, and for our journey to continue, please click right here. And remember, Ascenders, our dreams will send to the highest peak. Love ya. I'll see you in my next video. Me out. Bye.